Ugh, I can't tell you how many times I've done this. Between house keys, car keys, and that mystery key from 2012, it's time to ditch this mess. That's why I installed the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. But is this smart lock actually worth it? After 3 months of daily use and some hilarious fails, here's my brutally honest take. Key features and benefits, expanded. Let's geek out on what makes this lock special. Unlike basic smart locks, the Encode has built-in Wi-Fi, meaning no extra hub to lose behind your router. The Schlage Home app gives you military-grade control. Real-time status alerts. Get notified if your team comes home past curfew. You can create custom access schedules. For example, cleaning service gets access Tuesdays from 9:11 a.m. only. Create virtual keys. For grandma's visit, send a code that expires on Sunday. Vacation mode. Randomly cycles lights to look occupied. I tested this during a 2-week trip to Mexico. Being able to see my front door was locked while sipping margaritas, priceless. Installation deep dive. Confession time. I'm not handy. My last DIY project required 911, but even I installed this in 22 minutes flat. Here's why it's foolproof. Smart alignment tool. A little plastic guide prevents crooked drilling. Saved me twice. Pre-threaded holes. Mostly, we'll address defects later. Visual app guides with 360-degree animations for visual learners. Pro tip, use the included door template. Skipping this caused my first hilarious fail when the deadbolt missed the strike plate completely. The specs claim 6 months battery life. When batteries do die, there's a 9V emergency terminal to zap it open. I tested this during a Chicago blizzard. Worked like a champ. Want to see my blooper reel of installation fails? Check the link below. Plus, get today's lowest price before it changes. Security showdown. I hired a locksmith to stress test this. Here's how it held up. Pick resistance. Took him 8 minutes versus 32 sec for my old lock. Drill resistance. Hardened steel inserts defeated his drill bit. Brute force. Withstood 217 pounds of pressure. Your thief needs gym time. The built-in alarm screams at 85 decibels if tampered with. My neighbor came over ready to throw hands. Smart home smackdown. In this corner, the Schlage Encode with Wi-Fi built in. And in this corner, the Yale Assure 2 with HomeKey. Let's compare. Alexa, Google Control, both work flawlessly. Apple HomeKit. Yale wins with HomeKey, but Schlage uses the app. Airbnb integration. Schlage's autocode generator destroys Yale. Physical key backup. Schlage's hidden keyhole beats Yale's key-free design. The winner depends if you're Team Apple or Team Airbnb. Still debating? Click below to compare live prices on all top smart locks. Updated hourly. Defect crisis and solutions. Now, the ugly truth. My first unit had misaligned screw holes. After digging into forums, I found 5% defect rate reported, mostly 2023 models. Schlage's warranty covers replacements. Pro tip, order from Amazon for no-hassle swaps. The replacement, flawless. Moral, don't let one lemon scare you. Their customer service rocks. Final verdict. After 90 days, 12 guest codes, and 1 attempted break-in, thanks, overzealous neighbor. Here's my report card. Reliability 9.5 out of 10. 1 Wi-Fi dropout during storm. Battery life 10 out of 10. Still on first set. Installation 8 out of 10. Template could be sturdier. Value 9 out of 10. Cheaper than rekeying annually. Perfect for Airbnb hosts, techie families, and chronic key losers. Maybe skip if you live off-grid or need HomeKey. Final closing. Ready to join the keyless revolution? Click below for the best deal. Smash like if this helped, and subscribe for more no BS reviews.